How to stop iPhone camera from saving location data, GPS, in photos. First, let's go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, we go into settings. So tap on settings. And in settings, we scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Next, in here, we go down and tap on location services. Scroll down and look for camera, and then choose never, and then tap on the back key. After that, now you can launch the camera to take a picture. Now this time when it take a picture, it will no longer record your location or the GPS detail. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.